Hey, good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. This is your SST teacher Poonam Avasthi. In this part of resources, we will understand about relation of resources and economic development. Children, please subscribe and share this channel, and please like the videos if it is helpful for you. So today we'll begin with first of all economic development. Before we go further into economic development, children, what is the meaning of development? So the process of growth or new information or through any event which leads to the process of growth can be termed as development. And how can we define economic development? When people are enjoying higher standard of living, it is called as economic development. And the next which we are going to understand, very interesting, that how can we see that the country is developed country or not. So here I have mentioned few of the features of a developed nation. So the nation which is having more goods and services and having better nutritional facilities, medical facilities, and they use latest technology, productivity and working span of human resources is higher, literacy rate of the country, and very important, the nation which can utilize their resources fully. And children, if you remember in the last video we understood about human resources. I hope now you can correlate with human resource with all of this, that ultimately good human resources are going to be the part of a developed country. And the next topic which we are going to understand is factors of economic development. So what are the factors which affect economic development? The first very important is availability of resources. So if resources are not available in the hands of the country, then country is forced to buy the resources and then they will work on the resources. So it is going to affect economic development. The needs and aspiration in the people. And very important, skill and technology. It means human force, human resource. They must be equipped with the latest technology and they must be trained. So 3 factors we have done. Number 1 was education, then health facilities and skill and technology. So all of these things are ultimately the need for economic development. So we have understood about features of a developed country and what are the factors which affect economic development. Children, if we go further into this, how can we increase, how can we ensure more higher rate of productivity in the country? So immense use of technology can lead to the higher rate of productivity, and population conversion into asset. It means the load, the population load can be converted into a asset. How? When good educational facilities, health facilities and skill and training we have discussed, when all of these 3 pillars are there in the country, then the population can be converted into good human resource. Law and order and knowledge and awareness about the country, it should be very much effective, and knowledge and awareness about the market and economy must be provided to the producers as well as to the consumers. And the country should also concentrate more on international trade. It is going to be globalization for the nation and all the goods and services will be traded outside the nation also, and it is going to increase our economic value of the nation. This is it for today. We have understood about this features of a developed country, economic development, factors which affect it, and how can we ensure higher rate of productivity. And these 3 topics are going to help you in the further topic which is conservation of resources. So we are going to understand the next topic, sustainable development and conservation of resources, in the next class. So children, many of you are asking about assignment in every video. Children, you are having many other subjects to study. So I used to give some relaxed days so that you can cope up with other subjects also. And those who have joined these sessions late, they can also cover the work and assignment. Thank you so much, children, for watching. And I am very thankful those who are writing in the comment box. Please give your views there, write your queries there, and keep watching, keep learning.